Huwag niyo kong paadara ng kalukuhan ninyo dahil alam na alam ko yon. O, nag-practice kayo 1 taon? 2 taon? Ako, RTC judge. That is the problem with this country. We're all for honest government, and yet the world condemns us as one of the most corrupt countries in the world. Ba't bawat isa ba sa inyo walang sala tungkol sa SALN? Bigyan ko ng sapang buhay. Panginoon, bigyan mo ako ng sapang buhay at imbestigahin ko lahat. Isa-isa. Dito sa Senado at sa House of Representatives.
Today, the time has come. At last, we stand at the very heart of the epic pork barrel corruption in the Congress, especially in the Senate. Why are the proportions of corruption so epic in scale? How did the criminals manage to steal some 10 billion pesos of the people's money in just 10 years? Who is the mastermind? Led by no less than the former Senate President, Juan Ponce Enrile. At that time, the
You get mad in the middle of the Senate hearings. Pag sa tingin po namin mga nanonood, galit na kayo. How much of that is real?
Wala ka na ba ibang argumentong maisip sa utak mo? Kung hindi maging personal laban sa akin?
That's 100% real. So if trying to make a point, and I'm convinced that I'm morally right, I'll fight to the death. Kailangan mamatay isa sa amin. Ako patayin niya o kaya patayin ko siya. Basta hindi pwedeng buhay kami pareho.